Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to forward emails to your Hubspot CRM, fully updated for 2025. If you want to centralize your communication, keep track of client interactions, and save time, this guide is perfect for you. Stick around because I'll break it down step by step so you can get it done in no time. First, open your browser and go to the Hubspot website. Log in using the button in the upper right corner. Once you're inside, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, the control center for all your CRM activities. From the dashboard, find the settings icon and click it. This is where all the magic happens, from configuring your CRM to managing your email connections. In the settings menu, look for the inbox and help desk section. This area is key for managing your emails within HubSpot. Click it to start connecting your inbox. Next, click Inboxes, then connect a channel. You'll have a few options here. Choose Team Email if it's a shared address, or Other Mail account to link external email providers. Now, enter the email account you want to forward. This could be a personal, business, or client email. Make sure all details are correct so HubSpot can securely receive and track your messages. Once connected, emails are automatically forwarded to your HubSpot CRM. This centralizes communication, allowing you to reply directly from HubSpot. You can efficiently track all interactions, maintain a clean CRM database, and never miss an important message again. And that's it. Forwarding your emails to HubSpot is now set up, helping you save time, stay organized, and keep all your client communications in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.